Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a dollar store mystery box challenge. A group of us got together and we're all sending one person in the group a mystery box with 5 items, 3 that are craft items and 2 that are more miscellaneous. And the goal is to make as few DIYs with all 5 challenge items as possible. This is my box that I got from Robin with Robin's Buys and DIYs. So let's open it up and see what she sent me. Hi Andrea, hope you are well. These items on top are just for you. There is another layer. Ooh. So there's a few things on top here that I guess are not part of the challenge, just a few extras. We have these really cute summery stickers and then a whole bunch of beautiful stickers. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these. I love the pastel colors. Ooh, next up are these little bee stickers from Dollar Tree. I love these. They're so cute. Oh, we have these little sailboat wood shapes. Oh, these are really pretty. These are little chalkboard wood embellishments. I love the borders on all of these. Oh my goodness, so much washi tape. If you guys don't know, I do have another channel here on YouTube called Bujo with Andrea, where I do all bullet journaling videos. So all of this washi tape is really gonna come in handy. Here are all the washi tapes. They're all so pretty. Now on to the challenge items. Hi Andrea, here are the 3 items from the craft aisle and 2 from other aisles, Robin. So what do we have here? These are tiny little 1-inch styrofoam balls. I think we can definitely work with those. Ooh, next up we have these chipboard die cuts. It looks like there's mermaids, unicorns, stars, and a rainbow with clouds, I think. Those are very pretty. I like the foil, but gonna have to think on that one. Okay, the next craft item is this pink silky rope. How pretty is this? I love how shiny it is. Now for the last 2 challenge items. First up, we have these green leaf coasters. Those are fun, very summery. Oh no. I just happened to open this one last. And this is going to be our trouble item. Okay, I wish you guys could comment below and offer your advice to me because I'm gonna need it. But here we have some false eyelashes. Yes, now those do look gorgeous, but what am I supposed to do with false eyelashes? Yeah, that is gonna take some imagination. I don't know, guys. Okay, let's do a little recap here. The items we have to use today are the styrofoam balls, the metallic pink rope, the die cuts, the foam leaves, and the eyelashes. I'm gonna have to go away and think about all of these for quite a while, I think. So wish me luck, and I'll come back to you when I have an idea. I'm going to be making a macrame wall hanging using this pink metallic rope, which was one of my challenge items, along with this piece of driftwood. I'm cutting 5 long pieces of the rope, then folding each of them in half. Then I'm placing the folded part of the rope over top of the driftwood and wrapping it around to tie it into a lark's knot. And I'm doing this for each of the pieces of rope. To make it a little stronger and to make sure the knots stay in place, I'm also tying a regular knot at the bottom of each of these lark's knots. I'm now taking the 2nd and 3rd pieces of rope and tying a knot in them a few inches down from the top. And I'm continuing to do this all along all of the pieces of rope, and there will be 1 strand on either side that is not a part of any of these knots. Once all of these knots are complete, I'm going back to the first strand and tying it together with the second strand a couple inches down from the previous knots, and then I'm continuing all along and tying knots in the strands again. I'm putting this aside for now and moving on to the next challenge item, which are these 1-inch styrofoam balls. And I'm taking a bunch of them and cutting them in half. Now I'm going to paint all of my semicircles with this pink cotton candy paint from Dollar Tree. While these dry, I'm taking one of my other challenge items, which was this little die cut of a cloud in a rainbow. And I'm cutting off the smaller cloud and the rainbow part of it, so I'm just left with the larger cloud. And I'm painting it silver with this metallic silver paint from Dollar Tree. You're gonna have to wait and see how all of this comes together, but moving on to my next challenge item, which are these false eyelashes. I'm going to be adding them to 2 of these green flowers as more detail to make them look even more realistic. I'm peeling off the lashes, then wrapping each one around one of the white centers of the flowers. I'm just wrapping it around the whole way until the whole lash is used up, and then this gives a nice center to the flower. Make sure to click the link in my description box to check out the mystery box swap playlist to see what everyone got in their mystery boxes and what they did with their challenge items. Now, to bring everything together, I'm adding all of my design elements to my macrame wall hanging. I have a bunch of these little flowers from Dollar Tree. We have white ones and pink ones, and then of course the 2 green ones that we added the eyelashes to. For the white and green flowers, I'm going to be attaching them to the rope using the cut styrofoam balls that we painted pink earlier. I'm poking the flowers into the styrofoam balls and then gluing them to the rope. And now I'm gluing my silver clouds to the rope. Now for the last challenge item, which were these green felt leaf coasters, I'm cutting them up to make small leaves for some of my flowers. I'm cutting out the shapes of the leaves that I want and then hot gluing them together and adding them behind the 3 white flowers. And now to add some string so I can hang up the wall hanging. And here is the finished macrame wall hanging using all 5 of my challenge items. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this mystery box challenge. Make sure to check out the playlist below to see everyone in the challenge and what they got in their mystery boxes. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you next time.